Hello and welcome. I want to share a couple of highlights with you on this page, things I think might benefit you in your journey in machine and ruler quilting. This page is dedicated to all things living water quilter. You can join the email list. The email list gives you monthly updates on courses, on YouTube channel videos, on events that I will teach at or lecture, tutorials that I share on my blog, on various projects that I'm working on. So join the email list. Also on this page, you're going to find access to my YouTube channel. If you haven't been, it's worth taking a look. If you like machine quilting like I do, you're going to find a ton of designs and tutorials broken down in separate playlists on the channel. Did you know I have a quilt conversation live every Friday on my YouTube channel? Yes, join us 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stop by. I'd love to see you. If not there, I hope to see you in person. On this page, I have my event listing. You can see where I'm going to teach and lecture, and I hope I'm in your area and I get to see and meet you. Also, you're going to find information about my quilt patterns. I have several quilt patterns that are available, as well as quilt panels, whole cloth quilt panels that I designed specifically for you in mind. I love quilt panels for practicing machine and ruler quilting. Take a look around. I hope you find something that's of interest to you. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you want to see more, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.